Hello you guys, this is my Peugeot Xps and I'm going to show you how to remove the clutch case, because on this model, the Peugeot Xps, it can be a pain in the ass because it touches here, so you can't just take it out. You have to first off remove this, or first of all you remove all of the screws around here. We empty it of water fluid, and you empty it of the oil, and when you're done with that, you have it loose. You feel that it's loose, you twist the kick to the right and you unscrew this all the way, but so it's still there, and then you twist it to the back, to the other way, all the way, and then you're almost good to go. All you need to do then is to remove this screw here and this screw here, which holds up the engine, and then you loosen this, and then you can push here to be able to remove this. So that's how you do it, guys. Good luck to you all, and please like, comment and subscribe.